Hi everybody, welcome back for part 2 of the Cocoa Daisy October kit unboxing. One thing I forgot to show you in that last video was the washi tape that came with the planner add-on kit. It got lost under all of that stuff that I had out. And look at that, they're little triangles that can kind of look like, you know, corn, but also some of those watercolor dots. So that's going to be fun to use. I might make one of those dashboards with the different washi tape, and those look so cute. And so we're here for the last video, which is the sticker kit, the dashboard kit, and this is the classified kit. I'm going to save this to the end. So let's take a look at the dashboards, because I've never gotten the dashboard kit before. I've only gotten a couple in the in those grab bags that Mary Kay has put together. And so you'll see that they are in the A5 size and they are in the personal size. So you can do lots of great things with these. So let's see. This one says to do fall list, and it has pick fresh apples, bake cookies, drink hot chocolate, take lots of photos, sit by a crackling fire, read a good book. And it's got that beautiful pumpkin artwork that is in all of the papers in the planner kit. That is gorgeous, the October. Look how beautiful that is. And then here is the if a year tucked inside of a clock, then autumn would be the magic hour. Victoria Erickson. That's cute. I like that quote. And let's see the next one. Hello Autumn. That's that beautiful gourd that is cutouts and on some of the papers and in the planner. And actually you can see it right there. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Look how cute that is. And all of the different pumpkins from the other items in the other kits. And that beautiful watercolor again. And this one says, it's really tiny in a light gray. What happens to everyone in the fall when the days get short and the sun gets small and the leaves go skidding on every breeze and apples are picked from the apple trees and at night the edges of puddles freeze? What happens to everyone? Anyone know? Where in the fall does everyone go? And that's by, looks like Aileen Fisher. Very cute. And so those are the dashboards. And you can see, look how gorgeous. I'm back because I forgot to turn my phone off. So you get those in the personal size and in the A5 size. So those are some great things. Now, the next thing that I have here is the sticker kit. And I've only gotten this once, and that was back in, I want to say August, maybe? So you get these full boxes, and what I will do is I will zoom in. I will leave them down here. So more of the wonderful artwork. And look, pumpkin spice is my favorite season. A cute little pumpkin-y, gourdy looking Simon. And lots of wonderful stickers down here. And the, I guess the stickers are printed in Canada. And then these are your trackers, your check boxes, and some meals, TVs, and other little tabbies. And here are your hydrate stickers, which are really cute because they're in a water bottle. Some more wonderful phrases. And all of these stickers, I think, fit the Erin Condren. It's the right width, so that means it'll fit the So Much Crafting. I think it means it'll fit some of the Annie plans, some of the Brooks printables, and some of the other more standard planners that, you know, people use the stickers in. Here's some more wonderful pumpkin spice. Hello fall, life is sweet. That's a pomegranate because it is Jewish New Year this month. Well, actually it's in September, but pomegranates are common. Like we have Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. So pomegranates are very common for us. And here's some to-dos, today's, this week's, and menus, and more trackers. Here's some hexagons and watercolor and some teardrops. There's a beautiful pomegranate there, and some more pumpkins and great little, I guess those would be quarter boxes. Some watercolors, and these are the ones that I'm looking forward to use because they are a clear sticker. So when you put the sticker down on your paper, let me leave it down, it will look like you've watercolored over something. All of these will. These are like washi strips, and those are the watercolor droplets or swatches. So those are the stickers. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you, warning, this is a warning, a trigger warning. If you do not want to be, if you want to maintain your shock and your chagrin when you, and excitement when you get this, this is the Cocoa Daisy Classified Planner Kit. This is your last warning, your last warning. So what you will see here, you will not be surprised. I know some people have posted a few photos, but I'm just giving you that warning. I only saw one and went, no, I stopped looking at the Facebook group because I didn't want to be surprised. So here we go. Oh, lots of stuff. So the first thing I see is this beautiful, it is a Le Pen pen, and it is in the orange color. So I'm looking forward to using that this month along with my Cocoa Daisy, and I have like a complete set of Le Pens. So I don't think I have this orange. I've got another orange, and I'm gonna see if I've got some colors that go with this. So I can use my Le Pens instead of having them sit in a pen case. Now, you saw in the planner kit, we got a Simon, let me open this before I talk. You saw we got a Simon, and see, you can still use that as a tip-in or cut that out and do something wonderful with it. We got a Simon in the last one. In this kit, in the classified, we get a beautiful one of, oh, her name is Betty, I think, and it looks like she has a spiced latte of some sort with her. Very cute. So they will be making an appearance in my planner. Here is that thing that we've had a sticker of in a couple of different of the kits. Actually, it's a gourd, and I was thinking it's a gourd, not a pumpkin, but a pumpkin is a gourd. That's very cute. So there's Simon. Now, we had Simon dressed up like this as a paperclip. We just saw Betty, and now we have Simon in the gourd as a stamp, and lots of leaves and hot swirly things. Or I guess that's wind or something. So you can do some really cute things with the leaves. So there's a stamp set that we get. Now, these are the very Halloween inspired pumpkins and trick or treat, and definitely nice to have those. So during Halloween, which I think is in the middle of a week this year, like on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, you can dress up just, you know, that day or your daily page or that week with specific Halloween ones. And we've got some more of these beautiful watercolors. Look how beautiful they are. I'm loving this kit. We got some papers here. This one, look how beautiful that is. That is a acetate, and it's got this beautiful pumpkin and the berries and the leaves and twigs. Now this is a vellum, and it's really hard to see. It's very light. I'm gonna try and bring it up so you can see, but look how gorgeous that is. And we have another vellum with those wonderful triangles and arrows. And we do have another washi tape, so I will do like what I normally do. I'm going to cut this footage. Take that off. And the washi tape that came with this kit, the Cocoa Daisy Planner Classified Kit, is a one that has the days of the week on it. And it's this beautiful ombre, dark burgundies down to oranges and yellows. So we got some beautiful washi that we can use this month. There's the days, the leaves, and these wonderful triangles and dots, which are like this beautiful paper here. So that is what came in the classified kit. So I warned you, I don't want you to be triggered or upset that I showed the beautiful things that are in here. I'm going to have so much fun planning this October. I'm going to be using this beautiful, some people have been asking, I'm going to be using this beautiful Foxy Fix. It is in the Wild Flower, and it is in the Pocket Ring. And I might use the washi tapes to make something like this, like I did for this. But look at that. Those colors are going to look beautiful in here. And see, like, I finally have something where I can have little Betty and Simon. Look at that coming out. And see, look, even if you were to decorate the inside or to create like a tab or a tab this way, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I just wanted to show you the last little bits of goodies that I got from Cocoa Daisy, and expect some great things coming, or expect some things coming. I hope they're great. I'm going to be guesting a blog and some stuff with the Cocoa Daisy planner team this month, and I'm so thankful to be doing that and sharing all of these wonderful goodies from Cocoa Daisy. I've been a subscriber now for almost 2 years, with like a month here and a month there not subscribing, but I love everything that they do, and I'm just thankful to be able to share this with all of you. So I will link Cocoa Daisy below, and I will also try to link up here part 1 if you want to see what is in the planner kit and the planner add-on kit. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.